Alright, YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these 8-foot long traffic barricades. Paint them whatever color you like. They're very cheap to make compared to buying them. And let's get started. So I have a list here of all the cuts you're going to need. So A-frame traffic barricade. You're going to need 3 12-foot long 2x4s. These are nominal 12 foot, so these are actually 12 foot and a ½ inch. You're going to make one 8-foot cross piece, this piece here. You're going to need 8 6-inch stop pieces. So if you look closely at my cross piece here that I have already made, these go on either side and kind of pin it in place. So it holds it fast and it locks in. You can make those as tight or as loose as you want. I left them kind of loose to ease assembly. You're going to need 2 31.5-inch cross pieces, which are the lower, larger pieces of the A-frame. 2 14-inch cross pieces, which is the upper part that the actual beam rests on. If you were to sturdy these up, I would use screws and do 2 of these, so 2 14-inch ones, just to make them a little heavier duty. Though they're heavy duty enough, I weigh on the upper end of 200 and I can sit on top of this thing and it doesn't fall. We're going to need 4 48-inch uprights. That's what these are here. And I'm using 2.5-inch nails. You could use screws, sheetrock screws, whatever. Up here at the top, let me see, I'll throw this down. Move this to the side. See, I have this cut here. All it is set my saw as sharp as it would go. It happens to be 60 degrees. And I just leave that much of the board sticking past the blade. So I cut my 60 degree. It makes it where it's got a nice little place to lock into here. Just like that. And they come apart and go together super easy. They're pretty easy to, carry around or store if you needed to use them. I mean, if you wanted, you could use it as a giant sawhorse. You could actually use the design and use a shorter top board and make sawhorses out of it. But yeah. So, pretty easy to make. Basic tools you need is a measuring tape, marker to mark your lines, a saw, hammer, and nails. Super easy. Here's one I'm in the process of putting together right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Have an awesome day.